Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and in this vlog I got to go to Style Nanda in Harajuku, which was awesome. It was pretty crowded that day, but luckily the store wasn't as crowded. So we got to take our own little tour, and to our surprise, they actually had 4 floors in this location, which I was super shocked about. I'm not sure how the one in Korea looks like. I've only been to the one in Harajuku, but this one was really cool. I also got to go with my friend Christina. If you guys know her on YouTube, her name is Christina Grace, also on Instagram, and she lives in Japan and also makes lots of videos. So go ahead and check her out if you haven't already. If you are planning on visiting Style Nanda in this location, they do have at least 2 floors where you can take photos, or in our case, we also took videos for our social media. It's great because usually most stores don't allow cameras in Japan, so they definitely have a safe space to use your phone or your camera. Even if you have a bigger camera to bring in there, they really don't mind. I would definitely say my favorite part, aside from the shopping, would have to be taking photos in the sets that they set up, just because it was so detailed and they definitely put a lot of work into what they were doing. Here are some photos that we got to take. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, it's Timaloveslemons, and you can see all the photos that we took there. After photos, we spent time looking for stuff to shop for, and I've been wanting to try their lip glosses and also their velvet lip tint, which I ended up purchasing the one in taupe, and I was super excited to try it out, and it fits my skin perfectly. I also purchased a few more items, which I'm going to show you guys in my haul. Just keep in mind, most of the items at Style Nanda are pretty pricey, but if you've been wanting to shop there for a long time and if you're traveling, I think it's worth it. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience going to Style Nanda in Japan. As you can tell, I'm back in America. I came back a couple days ago, so I will be going to Texas tomorrow morning, so I won't be having much time to film or upload for you guys, so this is the last day that I can do it before I come back. I only got 4 things from Style Nanda this time around because it was a bit pricey, but the 4 items that I did get were definitely essentials and were very needed. So I'm really happy that I got to shop there and just experience it and like take pictures and stuff. It was so much fun. So I'm gonna get started with the products. In Harajuku, everything is super crowded, especially during Golden Week, which is the time that I did go. Luckily the day that we went, we were able to film still. There weren't that many people in there, so we were very lucky. And yeah, I'm gonna go through some of the stuff that I got, and let's get started. Also, if you guys like my content, make sure to go ahead and click the notification bell down below and see all of my updates on time, and go ahead and subscribe if you're here. Okay, so the first thing that I got was, I've already used this beauty blender. I'm not gonna show you the top side, but basically it's got a little point here. I've clearly been using it for the past week or so, so I've been having to clean it on and off. It's really, really soft. I feel like I spent so much money on the original beauty blender, like back in the day, which was like $20, and this is only $10, you guys. So this was half the price, which is really good. It's good because now I can definitely afford a beauty blender from a brand that I really like personally, and this is really awesome. I love how it has a little like flat edge here, unlike the original beauty blender that just has like a round end, which is not that useful. This, you can really go into those hard places and just kind of go all over your face with it, which I really like a lot. So also, I got the 3CE Style Nanda medium brown powder. This is more of like a soft powder that kind of goes in your skin really easily. So if I take this here, it feels like a velvety smooth, like a baked powder, but it's really, really soft. And for me, I kind of put this underneath my eye, so it's kind of light on my skin, but I put it more in like my T-zone, underneath my eyes, my forehead, my chin, all that good stuff, just because it has a really nice airbrush look. It kind of reminds me of the NYX no filter powder. What, 1,800 yen, which was like $18 for this, but I could be wrong. I don't remember the price exactly, but it wasn't that expensive. It's gonna last me a long time, so I figured why not, and I really like this brand a lot. So they also have this in a lighter color, which would have been too ashy for me. I did swatch both of them, and this is the only one that had more of a warm undertone for me. So if you are darker skin, this will work for you. If you have like a highlighting powder that you want to go ahead and use on your T-zone, this will be perfect for you. It's not ashy at all, which I love. I'm wearing it right now underneath my eyes and also my forehead. Also, I got 2 lip products. So one is this Style Nanda lip gloss that I got, and I love it so much. So this is pretty pigmented. It's called Baby Punch by 3CE. Makes your lips like super shiny. So it's a very high gloss pigmented lipstick or lip gloss. So I'm just putting a little bit here, and this is what it looks like. I think this makes your lips look plump, all that good stuff. Looks really, really pretty. This hydrates your lips instantly, so I love it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna also show you guys this Stylenanda Velvet Lip Tint that I got, which this was running around, I think, $20. It's in taupe, and it fits me so well. More of a lip tint than a velvet liquid lipstick. It definitely goes on a lot less heavy than your lipstick would. So I'm gonna just wipe my lip gloss that I just put on off. Okay, this is how it looks and it feels extremely hydrating, which I am very excited about because I needed to find a lip color that fit me, that I would feel comfortable wearing all day. And matte lips are just not doing it for me anymore. Even if it's like super, I feel like the only ones that I personally can wear is the Sugar Pill one because it actually has a mousse texture to it and it doesn't make my lips feel dry. Even though I wear it all day, I don't feel really dry wearing it. Like my ColourPop ones, I can't do anymore because it just dries out my lips and makes it look really like, you know, cracked and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the mirror that I got from them. I had to buy it because I was like, this is iconic. I need to buy their mirror from there because I just see it all the time. I see other people using it. And it was only like 10 bucks and I was like, okay, this is super cute to put on my makeup in the morning, like my lashes or like my my brows, stuff like that. It has the little 3CE sign on it. And I just love the packaging. It looks so cute. I think that the bigger one was around $20, which really isn't that bad, but I wanted to just have a travel size version of it so I could just go and travel with it and stuff. And yeah, so I personally love this a lot. I love the mirror, I love everything that I got. Hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe. I definitely have a lot more videos from Japan coming up. I have everything organized for you guys. So there's a ton of videos, a ton of content, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I have coming up next. So stay tuned for more Japan videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.